Well, so after downloading the NATA admit card, the 3 points, the 3 things is very important to know. Let's start this. The first point is the instructions are, so given instructions are very important to read, understand, so that we'll explain you in very simple language, that one. The second most important thing is why. So why somebody will disqualify from the exam, so we need to know those points also, and we have to keep in mind. And third is part A marking system. Yes, so they have updated the part A marking system and the gap between the part A and part B exam. Well, this is Krishnanand Singh, your mentor, coach, guide, and we are discussing here post your admit card once you have downloaded. So what you need to do after this? So just few days is left in the exams, and these information are really important. Let's start with the first part which I told you. First, you have to click on your URL to get your password. This exam will be the computer based, either you are writing from home or you are writing from the nearest test centers. So if your exam in the first half, you have to report 30 minutes prior at examination hall, or second half also is the same way. So report 30 minutes before. Use the same PC and laptop throughout your exam. You are not supposed to change in between. Will not be permitted after 15 minutes. That means you are not permitted after 15 minutes once the exam will start to write your exam. You should have to have, that means you must have your photo ID card. So ID card is not valid with which you don't have your photographs. So you must have photograph on your ID card. That ID card you should keep, either you are writing your exam from resident or at exam center. Read the instruction very carefully. All instruction for the exam which will be given there, you have to read it very, very carefully. Then do not leave exam hall once, maybe you finish your paper and you think, okay, I am done and now I can leave. No, you are not supposed to leave exam hall. You are not supposed to leave the system. Either you are in home, again I'll repeat, or at some writing from exam center. It may possible you are writing from home, at center also, in often this happen. If your laptop or system may get crash, so you will have 10 minutes. You do not need to worry about it. You will have 10-minute time to restart your exam. Yes, so again you have to follow the same method. Go, click on the URL, get your password, and start your exam within 10 minutes. So then you are eligible to continue your exam. Well, moving forward to the second part, what all will be the reason for cancellation? The one student will disqualify from the exam. So 4 and 5 points are really very important. Pre-closure, which I have already mentioned there, that's a point in first section also. You are not supposed to pre-close your exam. The second point is disconnection of internet or during the examination. So please take care of that part. If you are writing from the home, that is most important, is you should have a better Wi-Fi, and now you have a 2-3 days time to check and look after that. Movement away from screen, that means if this is the screen and I am going away from this screen, is not allowed during the exam time. You should be there. You are not supposed to use calculator, phones, or anything else. And if you are trying to play with audio or video during the exam, is not allowed. Make sure that let it be. Do not do anything. You should have a better connectivity of audio and video, everything. Well, so this was the second part of your exam. Now the third and most important part about part A, the questions pattern. Well, so first I'll tell you in short about the exam. Like suppose if you're writing from home, 10 AM, you have to report by 9:30, complete all things. 10 o'clock, your part B exam will start. It will over in in another 45 minutes, that means 10:45, and you will have 15-minute gap in between. So 45 minutes, 50 questions, same pattern, nothing has been changed here. It's just the gap of the exam is 15 minutes now. Now 11 AM your second half will start. That will continue till 12:12. That means 12 PM 12 minutes till the time this will continue. Now look at the part A questions. So question number 1 will be for 17 marks, which having a variable marking, which I have already mentioned in my videos earlier. So this exam you may have a variable marking. Yes, so first 4 question you will have 4 answer PTQ type of the question. Each question will have 4 answer. We will discuss in next video in detail. If you want me to discuss about this, please write in the comment box so that I will discuss about PTQ type of these questions and the how, and make sure watch the previous videos also basis on that. So now each questions will have 4 but variable answer for 1. Then another 3 questions, again each question will have 4 answer. Each answer will carry the 4 marks, that means there is no negative marking. If you will answer the 1 right answer, you will get 4 marks. If you will answer the 4 out of 4, that means you will score 16 marks in second, third and fourth. Rest of the question is MCQ, that means multiple choice question. Here you will have 1 right answer, within 4 minutes you have to answer it. Same pattern which was mentioned in the first PDF. After changing a syllabus, the COA have announced. Well, so this was in short, this part was the syllabus. Like please understand this video. If you have any query and doubt, write here in the comment box. Well guys, if you are still looking for the right guideline and perfect mock paper, come on our app which is Ignite India. So and right here, fill here, right here in the comment box, the team will make sure that the same exam pattern, the same exercises and the feeling you will have in our test, so that you can go and write the tests, get the experience of the same things. Here again we are following the same pattern for taking your test. So thank you so much for watching video. Make sure that you subscribe, like and press the bell icon button, because we are the one who come with the information immediately with you, and we'll continue with this. So thank you so much for liking our efforts. Thank you for watching Ignite India. Thank you everyone.